Look at all this. This is all the stuff at the 99-cent store. All the way down to this aisle. So I don't know how much I'm going to end up spending. Glam and Gore has been doing Halloween costumes at Party City. She's been doing a couple costumes at like a store specifically, so I was kind of inspired to do one at the 99-cent store because, you know, sometimes we're on a budget, we just aren't into Halloween that much, or last minute idea. So I'm like, well, you know what, maybe I can do one of the 99-cent store and make it exciting, see how cool it can come out and if it's worth it. It's barely 5 p.m. you guys, and it's super cloudy. Oh my gosh, you guys, so I'm so excited. These are the 2 bags that I got from the 99-cent store. I did get extra stuff that like isn't for the costume. For example, my dog's costume is this cute little ladybug, which I think is so cute. For example, this ghost hair, I guess you get to paint your hair and everything temporarily for $1.99. I wouldn't mind trying this. This is part of the costume, which I like these earrings and this like choker, so I'm gonna try that. These knee-high socks for 99 cents. It says LED necklace, so I think that's pretty cool. Color mascara. Look how nice they look. They're just so pretty. This is where I was starting to get the idea what I want to do for a costume, which was the bunny ears. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do bunnies. But you guys know me, I'm not just wanting to be cute. You guys already know that I like blood. So I'm gonna add a little twist to it. I believe this is a little bunny nose. I'm not even sure. It doesn't even say anything. It just says like how to use it, have the face clean and everything. And I think it's blood too. So I wouldn't understand why it would be these colors, but I'll figure it out. So I was thinking like to do the whiskers, I'm gonna go ahead and use one of these colors. I also got this. I know, why did I get 2 then? I don't know. I think because this one already has the bunny nose, unless it's Doug, but I don't know. And then glitter, glam myself up with glitter, right? A wig. So I don't know how well this wig is. It doesn't look like a very cheap wig. It looks like a basic wig, like a colorful one. So hopefully that comes out cute. I was trying to consider of like someone else who would want to do a Halloween costume at the 99-cent store. They, you know, at least have the basic of the face, whatever you guys want to do. This would be my basic, although the highlighter is pretty extreme. And you guys can just add on top of whatever, everything for the costume. So yeah, let me get my dog back inside. Chloe, hurry, there's a mosquito. My dog looks always wanting to come inside and out. And I also got this last month, which is awesome, 99 cents. This year, they you know, stepped it up with all the costume. Usually it's decorations where it's cool for 99 cents, but costume? That's amazing. Even the lashes, I'm excited. I don't know of anyone who has made a video like this, so if they have, please give credit and mention them. But I don't know anyone, so yeah. I'm gonna start off by using these. It says it's smooth and easy to use. Apply with fingertips or a brush. Remove with soap and water. Let's see how well this works. So these are the colors. I broke a little piece of it, and then I'm just kind of going like this and then blowing hot air. Just because I feel like the body heat will warm up the product, and I think it works better like that. Okay, so that's the best I can do. Like, it's not that pigmented, but whatever. Yeah, whatever. So now I'm gonna go to the mascara. This is how it looks. Ooh. I like the brush too. It looks really nice. I kind of want to eat it. It smells like candy. Oh my goodness. This actually made my lashes white. I've actually used other brands of color mascara and it's never been this intense. And this is white. My lashes are black. And so cool. Now I want to get the rest of the colors. I want to get that blue one. Next, I'm going to figure out what this is exactly because I really don't understand it. Oh, I'm such an idiot. I think what it was meaning, because it says in the directions to use either the applicator or the sponge. And I think this is a sponge. Oh my god, I thought it was going to be for the nose. Like, I thought that's what it was. I'm going to use the lash glue from this right here. And I'm going to put it on my nose instead because I don't want to change it. I like it. Such an idiot. So basically, all I really bought was this, like, to paint. Wow. Here's a little tip. I don't know if you guys know, but you see that how it's covered, the lash glue? The cap is actually has a little like pointy part right there. You put it in there and then it pops. Look. Oh shit, there it is. Oh, it made a noise though, so I got scared. No wonder this one has one too. I thought it was either for a clown nose or a bunny nose, but it's actually a sponge. So the lash glue sucks. It didn't work. I don't recommend it. It's like thick and it's more like a cream rather than like glue. Like the consistency was more like, let's say Neosporin. It looked like that and it just wasn't drying up and then it wasn't sticking. Plus, I don't like this nose, so I'm gonna take it off because it didn't even want to stick to the edge of it. And I like the lashes, how they came out. Now I'm gonna use the white. Chloe, do you want to come in or outside? What do you want? Go. Go outside. Go again. Sheesh, lady. Fuck. I don't know what she wants. These little sticks, they work amazing. It actually picks a color really good. Look, I'm just gonna start right there and then look how much white it builds up. Look at that. Like, it's honestly not that bad for 99 cents. But when you're doing it on the face, it's not picking up because it's rubbing on the makeup. So I had to take off a little bit of the makeup and then pile it up. And then on top of it, I added some more with this. But I think it's best if you, even if you just get like makeup wipe, just kind of take it off because you still want your makeup under. Look at that. Like, that's amazing. It actually works really good. It's just, it has to be on a clean face. So, yeah. Next thing I'm gonna move on is to this, and I'm so excited. I really don't know what this is. Oh, it's tattoos. Okay, so this is tattoos. So yeah, I hope it comes off quick because I have a wedding to go to right now in a bit, and I don't want to show up with this at the wedding. I got a paper towel and I just wet it. So I'm gonna take this off real quick. And then I'm gonna use this one. I'll put it like right here. Oh shit, that looks so cool. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look how fast that was. I don't know. Oh my god, that's so cool. Look at it. Ah! I should have like, I don't know. Hold on, let me see. Oh no, this one still has it. Okay, I need to. That looks so freaking cool. I don't even want to wear the necklace in a way. I don't think I am. I'm just gonna wear the earrings. I've never used blood from like the 99 cents, so I don't know. It looks pretty good. You guys, this is awesome. Look how good that looks just for being like the 99 cents, you know, and look how quick it was. So this is how it would look without the wig, you know, with my messy, nappy ass hair, but I like it. And I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter. It's just like body glitter, like it's not too extreme. So it shows like that, like a highlighter, I guess. I'm now gonna try on the wig. This wig looks nice, so I have high hopes for this wig. Wow, it looks really nice. It looks better than the picture, but it is thin. I'm gonna be trying on are these little stockings. They seem pretty good, so I'm gonna change real quick so I can get more into the character. I hope you guys like the idea of the whole 99 cents Halloween costume challenge. And if you guys like it, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you guys haven't. More to come, you guys. Share this video with everyone. Help your girl out and help her grow on the YouTube channel.